Okay, this is the horse and the chariot rough diagram. You can see how horse is running. I had drawn without seeing. Okay, I'll show you how to draw without seeing in running motions of animal, cat family and horse family. Just refer this, and now we will be starting with lion family as a in a running motion. See, this one you have been referred passed away. Now I will show how to draw the diagram. Okay, I will just roughly show you how to draw the cat now. In running or jumping, you can see. First, draw a circle here. Take a box reference to here of this half part. Let it be lie here. Okay. Now take a armor for the lion's figured one. Now pivot. This we can say as a skeleton of the lion. Means a distance between neck will be one head distance. Okay. Just understand this one thing easily. The neck point of the top of the lion's head will be locating here, not here, not here. Here also no will not joining here. In human also, skeleton you can see skeleton. Suppose this is skeleton. I had divided into half part. This is my jaw. Neck portion is always maintained here, not here. In this way. Okay, I will show you other diagram also, but today we will focus just on lion running and jumping motion. Just see carefully and you will be able to draw without seeing it. Add a pivot here, here and here. Between this skeleton, you can match anywhere in this skeleton. See, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2 and 3. You can from here you can rotate here or you can rotate till here, but not more than 90 degrees. This is 90 degree. You can rotate till here and here. Begin with fast sketching. Now I will reconnect my skeleton here. Stop till here. This is my armor. Okay. Take a pivot, one head difference. Take a pivot here for the leg part. This will be pelvis point, and this will be shoulder point. Now take a pelvis pivot, one, same, 1, 2 and 3. Now suppose the lion is standing straight. You can draw a straight line. Mention here its leg, here its leg. Okay, half here, and one more we will be drawing. Okay, here for the leg part. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2 and 3. Okay. So you can see this is running, this is standing. Now I will be connecting a shape line for it. Draw this head. Draw for the neck. See the shoulder. This will be, we have to do a curve over here. It will look like a realistic diagram. Sorry, this is not the upper part. Okay, come till here, straight draw the diagram, connect all the parts. Okay, came here. Now see properly how does I draw the ending of the pelvis part. You have to do nothing, just follow to the joints. You have to just follow the joints. Joints, okay. Till here we got the. It will be easy to draw in any way. Just use these techniques. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5. If you want to, okay, I will explain later. First we'll compare with the diagram. Tail you can easily add in any motion. Tail is not so important. Okay. Now head. Now I will be drawing here its palm. Very easy diagram it is. Just I will show you again, go through also. Just refer this much first, then we will be easily have to know how to draw the diagram. Okay, we got, see, our one simple diagram is ready. Now what to do? It is standing here, correct? Okay. Now we got the lion figure standing. You can add hands and legs, extra hands and other the right hand side legs and hands over here. Same copy, same you have to copy this much. Same copy here or here, anywhere, but the point will be here, and the leg point jaw will be, sorry, leg point pivot will be here. If it is here, you can mention in this way. Okay. Okay, we had got a diagram. Okay, now the head detailing I will not show in this diagram. You can see in other diagram, or the video will be lengthened outline. So just see the diagram. Okay, now we have completely drawn the diagram. One more thing, this part and this part you can do as 1 2 and 3, 1 2 3 4 here, 1 2 3, and this one 1 2 3 4. Okay, so you can see 3 shape also, and here as a this angle diagram. Okay, now we'll see with other motion. Okay, now let erase this both parts and we'll make in no motion. Erase the rough part. Okay, we can see this also in the same, nothing it is. Okay, let me see this diagram, because this we have been worked now. Now we'll be seeing this diagram. Let me see. One, okay, non-movable part, this body angle, non-movable part this and this, it will be fixed over here. Now for this diagram, see 1 2 3, 1 2 3, non-movable, non-movable, and this will be movable. Draw one, and you do a mention that the overlap between this angle will not exceed more than 45 degree, not more than exceed as 45 degree. It will be 90 degree only in any figure, this or in this also. I will explain been explained previous also, but here we will be seeing motion. Skeleton motions. See 1, okay, 2, 3, here also opposite to exaggerate, 1 2 and 3, and again 1 and 2. You can roughly draw this diagram. After practicing, you can fairly draw new colorful and clean diagram. It's just a rough work for the to know how does it moves and how does it move. It looks some different, so because we had made a mistake here. See 1 2 and 3, here also 1 2 and 3. Okay, I'm recorrecting one thing, that their legs will be not in this way, 1 and it seems that it will take a lot of time to drawing this. Once you keep a practicing of your own way, it will be easy for you. One, two, and 3. Okay. So its movement. Okay. Now this is clear. You can see in running angle. Okay. The same you do as a copy as this exaggerate running. Okay, now the video is too lengthy, it is 12 minutes crossed. Okay, we will see now other motion. Okay, 1 2 3 4 section I divided here. Just follow this, then we will be draw cat in any angles. Okay, front side, jumping front side, sorry, front and back, jumping front and back, jumping side back and side front, jumping side back and sorry, standing side back and side front. Nothing, it's very easy, you can draw easily. See this diagram, what to do, make a circle, okay, for the armor. Okay, inside the armor will look in this way, oval, and in front it will look in this way. Let me draw 1 2 3 pivots, 1 2 3, and this will be for head, box for its jaw, and legs, 1 2 3 1 2 and 3, and the other will be just draw this diagram over here. Yes. Make some a bit of lower. Okay, 1 2 and 3, 1 2 and 3. Triangle, eyes. Okay, ears. Okay, we'll see in other details. Okay, now this back of the cat. Same, take a circle. Same, take a circle. Take a circle here, but behind. So this circle will go behind to this circle. Will be overlapping in this way. As it looks from behind, no? The same. Copy here. Same you have to copy here. It is many research over there, and this part will be for tail. Okay, ears. Okay, I got this behind part. Now draw detailing for, you can draw this one for neck. Just look like a back side of the line. Now jumping what to do? Take a circle, armor for the same. Take a armor. Draw the head, front. It is front, no? Then erase the armor locating behind. Now 1 pivot, 2 pivot, enough. 3 and 4 will be perspective. Means it will be same. 1, 2 and 3. Okay. Now we are going to show these palms. How does it look? This part will be highlighted and bigger. You have to make just a bigger, and this will be common, and it will be look as a perspective. Make a circle for the palm. Make a circle for the palm. Draw its knuckles. Draw its knuckles. Okay, and leave it. Till you done, leave it. This is just a motion diagram, not detailing, not a drawing, anything. It's nothing. Just I have to explain you in motion how does it looks in all the face. The head detail you can see in other video. I had added here in other playlist. Okay, if need you can draw also. Now behind also same. Add as armor for the circle. Take the 3 pivots, 1 2 and 3, and the leg. Same leg you have to show here a triangle. Now connect the lines, curves, connect it. Make a narrow bottom over here, triangle one more, and a knuckles. 1 3 4. You want to mention tail, no? Mention in this way. Over. Now head hiding over the armor. Okay, don't show the hands. These hands don't show here. Okay, no need to show your hands. For more accurate, we will be drawing this here, this much. Okay, it's just easy, you can follow through it. Now This one I think that you can draw, see and draw it easily. Then too I will show these two also. I'll fold this paper in half so space will be more accurable for us. Okay. Now here also it's nothing very easy. Oval, take ahead. No need to take to neck. Inside neck will be invisible. This one work. Add a pivot 1 2, and here also 1 2 and 3. Now just making this way. No need to do nothing. Just draw. You can see and draw photographs of animal websites, and then you can copy it. Okay, I'll erase this one. Okay, now I'll erase this also. What here? 1 2 3. 1 2 3. Okay, you can see there. It looks some easy way. 1 2 3 and there also. Make a straight line. Straight line for the hands. In between armor, we'll be drawing these pivots. So here no same technique, pivots here. No need to draw in the here because it's not required, so draw only this much. Okay, enough. Same front is also nothing easy. Take armor, circle, draw a circle for the head, erase the behind part of the head because it's sitting at front. Add a box, join it, draw it. Okay, added a box. Now same, take a pivot, take straights, hands. Here also only this much we have to add here. 1 2 and 3. Okay, I think it looks like somehow difficult. If it's difficult, and it will be bored out. Just try this much. Yes. Cat family has been drawn here. Now this one. This looks difficult. Okay, but it is, I can say that it is more easier than among us these three diagrams. See, side back I am drawing here. See, side back, this one, nothing else. Circle, will be taking circle here. This one, circle over straight line, tail, don't take here pivot. If you are studied the the motion of this previous page. You can pause and watch previous page. Now we will be straightly drawing here rough diagram. No need to draw. Okay. Hands. This will be connecting neck and this will be yes. Okay, just make it clear. Make it a clear diagram. Just I shown your perspective. Draw the palm only. No need to draw anything. Only make the part bigger. Okay. I'm just showing you rough sketch. You can use in your own way. Okay. Okay, this I got. Now I will draw this one. Last remaining this one. Same nothing.